name is Pandora and this is my wolf. I was wondering if you could tell us if you've seen anything odd in the forest lately. Any goings on? Do you by chance know Ivella? Have you seen anything of her lately?
Hoo, hoo, hoo. Hello, mistress. Yes, I have seen Ivella. She is looking to create mischief at the castle. And her servant Igor has run away. He has gone to the castle to seek out the king. I do not know more than this. I'm sorry, mistress. Hoo, hoo.
Thank you anyway, sweet owl, for the lovely chat. Come, sweet wolf, we shall continue on our way. Oh, look, I think I see a sweet little mousey down there. Let's see if you'll... You funny little mouse. I was just going to ask you if you've seen anything in the forest that's strange. Like, you know, have you seen anything strange or funny? But I think maybe you're just a little bit pickled.
Hello, mistress.
You funny little mouse. I was just going to ask you if you've seen anything in the forest that's strange.
No, I haven't seen anything strange.
Come, sweet wolf, we shall continue on our way. There's a lovely little fairy. Let's go and talk to her. Oh, sweetie, don't be shy. Come and talk to Pandora. I just want to know if you've seen anything in the forest. No, mistress, I have not. I have seen nothing lately. I'm sorry. There's the Dark Witch's cottage. Let's go and speak to her. I wonder if she's home.
Who is it? Who's there?
It is I, Pandora, of the ether. I'd like to speak to you if I may.
What is it I can do for you, young Pandora? What do you want?
Wondering whether you've seen Ivella or not lately. Whether you've sold her a youth potion or a love potion or anything of the sort.
No, she has not been to see me. And I do not like that woman, and I will not help her. So don't be worried about that.
Right, I see. Well, do you mind letting me know if she does come to see you then?
So I will let you know. Okay? Now get out of my sight.
Come, sweet wolf. Another cottage. Looks like a very frightened puppy. Maybe you should go and talk to him, sweet wolf. You silly dog. Hello, dog. What's going on? Why are you hiding? Why are you barking? Don't be silly. Be quiet. Hush now. Mistress and I just want to know if you've seen anything. Seen Ivella, perhaps. The evil one.
No, I haven't seen anything. If that wicked old woman comes near me, I'm gonna bite her leg off. Like I said, I'll rip her leg off. So now be gone, wolf. I'm protecting my family.
Okay, little dog, go back to protecting your family. Silly little creature. Sorry, mistress. That silly little doggy didn't have much to say. Hasn't seen anything. Oh well, perhaps that's enough for today anyway. The creatures are wanting to sleep, it's getting dark. So we'll call it a day. Hello, little one. Hello, dear. Oh, Pandora, I've done something terrible. I need to speak to you immediately. Will you both best come in then? I'll make some brew and we'll have some lovely chopped chip biscuits then. Just made them fresh. Here you go, little one. Go into a corner and we'll have a chat. Off you go. Well, it's like this, dear. Ivella came to see me and I'm afraid I did something terrible. I sold her a potion. I sold her 2 potions, a youth potion and a love potion. And she's gone to the castle. I know she's up to no good and I'm very, very sorry. I know I've done the wrong thing. Nice biscuits, though. Okay, I see. Well, they are nice, aren't they? Yes, well, I'll have to take care of it. I'll look into it. I'll have to take care of it. You can't do anything about it now. Don't worry about it, dear. Just enjoy your tea and I'll take care of it. Thanks for letting me know, though.
We should take some potion before we go into the castle grounds.
Ah, that's better. Your Majesty, I would like to present
Her ladyship. From the Evelyn County, Lady Evella. Oh, your majesty, it is most pleasing to make your acquaintance, your majesty. I am most humbled. Oh, Lady Evella, it is most pleasant to make your acquaintance, my dear. You may stay at the castle for as long as you like. I do believe you're passing through on your way someplace. Do make yourself at home. Stay as long as you wish. We are at your disposal, my lady. You are most pleasing to the king's eye. May you join me for dinner tomorrow night? That would be pleasant. Why, of course, your majesty. Yes, this room is fit for a queen, I should think, and I must take a little more potion before I go down to dinner with the king. Mirror, mirror, am I still the fairest in this castle? Yes, mistress, yet again I tell you, you are the most beautiful in the land. No one's beauty can compare to your own beauty. Oh, thank God that's over. Oh. Good, and the king doesn't stand a chance, does he? Oh, your majesty, I'm so pleased to be joining you for dinner. So pleasing. Evella, my dear, I'm so glad you could join us for dinner. Come sit by me, my dear. Tell me all about the Evelyn County and about your life. Your majesty, I'm so pleased to be joining you for dinner. Your majesty, I do believe someone wants your attention. Oh, my dear, you are most charming indeed. What's that? Oh, yes? The wine is most pleasing this evening, and so is your charming company, Evella. Tell me, darling, would you spend some time with me? Would you do me the honour of spending time with this silly old king? Would you like some more wine, my dear? More wine for the lady? Well, my lady, I bid you good night.
How old am I? Let's put it this way. If I were a bottle of wine, you couldn't afford me. And if I were a bottle of whiskey, you couldn't handle me.
I'm gonna take that boy's crown. 'Cause
I heard a rumour, mistress, of a storyteller who was telling a tale of the big bad wolf. I think he means me. I hope not. And Little Red Riding Hood, which I assume is you because you love red and you're always wearing the red hood.
Yes, sweet wolf, I am rather partial to red, aren't I? I love my red hood. But I wouldn't be too concerned about the storyteller, I wouldn't worry. There are many tales about many things along a similar line. Because we walk between worlds and time, things get changed and skewed, so our stories are slightly different no matter where we go.
Who knows? In a parallel universe, I might be a witch. And you might be the big bad wolf.
Well, for now, Wolfie, we need to worry about the events at the castle and Evella. We need to see the seer. See, events can be changed.
what's the problem, dog?